Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a beautiful Hoover Model 728 from the early 1970s. I'm absolutely in love with the salmon color and the flower power bag. She has some scratches and battle scars from over 50 years of service, but overall is in excellent shape for her age. I have disassembled, cleaned, greased, oiled, and reassembled this unit, but I've also converted the Type C bottom fill bag into a modern top fill bag. I've always had lots of Kirby's and just recently started collecting Hoovers, so I have this Heritage Tube bag fill tube, Type F bag adapter, and lots of generic Kirby bags laying around. I used my serger and cut the bags down and stitched closed to fit inside the tiny Hoover bag chamber. Sealed it up with foil tape, and I'm very pleased to be able to use modern HEPA bags in this old girl. Anyway, time for some vacuuming. Enjoy that deep, low Hoover rumble. Thanks for watching.